You know I love it though. Go girl.
She a hood queen, a real bitch, ghetto chick. Don't get in her way, cause she don't play about it, bitch. She a hood queen.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cleopatra, and today I'm here with a knotless tutorial on purple ombre braids. And these were so easy to do. This is my birthday hairstyle. What I'm wearing in Africa, really. Not really here for America's cold weather, but it's getting more summertime fine when I get to Africa. That's really the tea. But yeah, this was really simple to do. My mom did it for me. I'm not the hair guru, she is. Yeah, I used two packs of the darker hair. At the top, it came in like 2 packs with 4, like, you know, the bundle things. And then the other one, the purple at the end, came with 2 packs of just 2 in them. So yeah, it was really simple, really quick. Yeah, let's get into this tutorial. Okay guys, so these are the packs of hair that I brought. I used 3 of those and 2 of these, and yeah. Okay y'all, so here I'm just showing y'all my parts. So I had about 60 braids in total by the end of this video. But first my mom adds some Shining Jam at my roots, and then she starts by braiding at the top. Y'all know how the knotless braids go. Then she feeds in about 5 pieces because I wanted my braids medium style. So she feeds in 5 of the blackish purple ombre hair, the twisted up OUTRE, and then she just braids them down. And she does that all across my head. And if you know how to do that, you can either skip through or continue to play this video while you're braiding down your hair, or you can move on to the end process. In these clips, you'll see my boyfriend and some of my friends. Y'all just excuse them. They came over to surprise me for my birthday. So yeah. So last up, my mom is feeding in 3 to 4 pieces of the straight purple hair of the twisted up. That's the bright vibrant color. And the transition was just smooth, as y'all can see in my intro and outro. Like, the hair just looks fabulous. I love this hairstyle for my birthday. Totally getting it again, maybe in the summertime or next year, but totally will recommend this hairstyle. 10 out of 10. And it's very simple, very quick. My mom is a slow braider, so this did take us 2 days. Plus, we also got drunk in between. So, yeah. And I didn't mean slow. I really mean she just liked to take her time. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. You guys can follow me on Instagram. Like this video, comment, share this video. Also, y'all can tag me in y'all pictures if y'all try this hairstyle. I would love that. Like, totally tag me. I would love to see it. Show me what you working with, girl. And if y'all want to check out my pictures that I took during my trip in Africa and my birthday and all that, just check out my Instagram. And yeah, so make sure you guys subscribe. Press the link below. Subscribe, please. I am begging. Okay, bye guys.